Deleting highlights on Hudl is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Open your web browser and navigate to the Hudl website. Sign in to your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the section where your highlights are located. This could be your profile page, library, or any other section where your highlights are listed. Locate the specific highlight you want to delete from your list of highlights. Look for options to edit or manage the highlight. This is usually represented by icons or buttons near the highlight. Select the option to delete the highlight. This option is typically labeled as delete, remove, or something similar. If prompted, confirm that you want to delete the highlight. Be aware that this action is usually irreversible, so make sure that you are certain about deleting the highlight. Once the highlight is deleted, verify that it's no longer visible in your list of highlights.